Hey everyone, Ziv here. As you know, Elementor is the #1 website builder for WordPress, and the Hello theme by Elementor is one of the most popular themes on the WordPress repository. In fact, the Hello theme is downloaded over 6,000 times every single day. That's 4 websites per minute. So why am I telling you this? Good question. We've decided to take these 2 powerful popular tools and combine them into something even better. And it's completely free. Tailored specifically for business owners. Introducing Hello Biz. I could tell you how the onboarding wizard is designed to get you online quickly by choosing a professionally designed website kit, no matter what type of business site you need, and how the quick setup links in the theme homepage streamline and simplify your build process. I could show you how Hello Biz lets you easily edit your header and footer, giving you complete control over your site. I could tell you that the kits are made up of theme-specific Hello widgets, like a complete hero widget, making it easier than ever to customize your website with drag-and-drop simplicity. And I could tell you that there are even more Hello widgets: the zigzag, the CTA, and the form light widget, all designed to help you build a high-converting professional website with minimal time and effort. There's a lot I could tell you about Hello Biz, but why should I? It's free. Try it out and start building a beautiful WordPress website for your business today.